Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get Blooket hacks. So when you're here in Blooket, basically you will have to log in and sign up. So basically Blooket is just going to be your educational experience and learning um, matching experience basically. So here you can motivate students, teach effortlessly, and customize freely. So what is a block? Basically, it's a friendly little block that loves to play. So this is for students. So I found a workaround and a hack for this. So when you search how to get Blooket hacks, basically Blooket hacker will be available in Chrome. You can add this as an extension. Adding it to Chrome basically automatically plays your Blooket games and answers the correct questions, of course. And basically right here you're gonna get the best of the best using your Blooket. So if you want to actually have hacks with your Blooket, you can download this called Blooket Hacker. Search it in your Chrome web store right here. It's just gonna be an extension. It's gonna be right here, located right there. And then you can activate it once you're using Blooket and you'll be on the go basically. So there you go.